Hi, welcome to the News Reporter's Guide to a Police Shooting, this edition focusing on the question of why did the police handcuff the subject after that person had been shot and had been incapacitated. The intended audience for these videos are news reporters and others in the media who need background in order to accurately report on a police shooting. My name is Andy Cooley and I'm your host. I've been representing police departments and police officers since 1985 in all manner of police activities, including lethal force cases. I represent police officers in civil rights cases in federal and state court. I do coroner's inquest trials after a police shooting where somebody is dead. And then I work with police departments and police officers in the immediate aftermath of shootings. And so it's with that kind of background that I bring my information here. This is not a video being made on behalf of any client of mine. I'm not speaking as an agent for any police agency or police officer. It's merely my thoughts and my information to help you as a reporter be able to do a good job in reporting a police shooting. One of the questions that's raised by the public and the media in the aftermath of a shooting is, why did the police have to handcuff somebody after they'd been shot? Police have been trained that in order to arrest somebody, they have to be placed in handcuffs. And police have been trained that after a police shooting, even if a subject appears to be incapacitated, they may not be. They may in fact be able to function, they may be able to counterattack, they may be able to escape. And that's why police have been trained that following a shooting, even where a subject appears to be incapacitated, is no longer a direct threat, they should approach that subject and place that person in handcuffs. Handcuffs ensure that that person would not be able to do a counterattack, would not be able to escape, would not be able to do something that would be dangerous. One of the things to remember is that police officers are not trained trauma surgeons, they're not trained paramedics, they're not capable of identifying the precise medical condition of a person after they've been shot. They're usually capable of figuring out if somebody continues to be an imminent threat. And if they're not an imminent threat and they can approach them, then they'll place them in handcuffs, even if it turns out that person, once they're examined by qualified and trained medical people, determine that that person is no longer alive, that they're dead. And so if the question comes up, why did they handcuff the person after they've been shot? The answer is that police have been trained that if they don't do that, that person might not actually be incapacitated. They may be able to counterattack them. And that's why their training is immediately after the shooting, if the person's incapacitated, place them in handcuffs, and that way they're under arrest. I hope you found this useful. Thank you.